Spicy, sweet and chewy. Perfect combo. Tteokbokki is soft and spicy, the gimbap is fresh and crunchy, and these hot dogs are gooey inside. So good. Wow. That was absolutely delicious. A perfect that is meal. Incredibly hot. Wow. But this hot dog and sauce combo is unbelievable. You have to try this. Wow. Eating this gimbap with the tteokbokki sauce is amazing. What an unbelievable combo. This kimchi is unbelievable. What a combo. Wow. This fried egg is an unbelievable combo.
Nothing beats spicy noodles and an ice-cold soda.